Welcome everyone, welcome back. It's time for another unboxing. First time visitors, subscribers, welcome. It's going to be an unboxing video about this 20,000 milliampere power bank. Ooh, look at that, Type C. Let's pause it and read. I want to get to the unboxing. I haven't sniffed the power bank, I haven't opened up the seal, it's still on. But I want to give a quick history on why I went with this power bank specifically. And because we have the access to the 30,000 milliampere, we have access to the 10,000 milliampere, but I went for this one specifically. The 30,000 didn't have the LCD display. Now let me give a brief history on the LCD display on my previous power banks. The snug power bank. Oh, that's awesome. Pause it, read it. Originally I got this back in 2014. You see it's a bit worn, it has history. I got this 2014. I don't know if you can see that, but I might take an image and then just tune it up. At this 31st December 2014. It lasted me well until 2019. Why do I say that? This LED is normally my P30 light. It's a power. It has a battery of 3,000 milliamperes. When this thing is normally filled up to the full, and I charge my phone up with it, when the phone is full, normally it ended up like this. But now, since 2019, 2020, when I repeat the same procedure, it normally ends up between the second last stripe and the last stripe to the right hand side. So from the bottom it's 25, 50, 75, 100%. So this is why this lady went into retirement, but the circuitry inside I will definitely get hold of that and then slap it on to a few 18615 batteries like what I have in this, but she's an old suspect, so I don't need to touch on that again. Then I got me a 20,000 milliampere battery by Dixon. It's an awesome power bank, but the reason why she looks like this now, I feel like kicking myself. Good Lord, I hope. Yeah, it looks atrocious, I know. It sucks. When it's fully charged up, the second light from the top got damaged. I accidentally dropped it twice, and one time while cycling to work. It was inside my bag and it got exposed to moisture, so I had to strip it open, desolder had to charge two cables that comes from this circuitry from the USB ports leading to the power bank. I had to basically solder it and remove it, and then basically solder it back again, and then it's really there is some, I don't know if you can pick up on that. I know it looks ugly, but it's still functional, which leads me now. Now this is the part that we've actually been waiting for. I just wanted to give a history on that. Now all these other power banks, the issue I have with those LEDs is I don't know exactly what's going on. There's information by, let me quickly again, this will be brief, you can pause it, read it for yourself. Now with this watch I have on, it's basically a generic. It looks like the iPhone, but it's generic. It's still functional, that's all that matters. So I did a few numbers, the watch plus the earphones. This Amplify, it's basically the same brand that represents this power bank, or power bank represents, whichever way you want to look at it. Watch, the earphones, it's about 500 mAh, a Huawei P20 Lite. This is rated capacity is 3,000 mAh. Now I've only used 30% of it. That's about 9 mAh. Now for one power bank, that should be okay. Now 30% of the power bank, that's about 6,000 mAh. It will make sense very shortly, just hold on. So 6,000 of the 30% of the power bank, that's around 6,000 mAh. So 6,000 divided by the 900, which is about 6.6 times. So that means this power bank, 30% of it should be able to power up my phone at least 6.6 times. And I got the reason I chose 30% is because on batteryuniversity.com there's a nice chart it shows, whereby it shows that if the battery is kept at around 20% degrees Celsius and the state of charge is between 45 and 75, that equates to around plus minus 5,000 cycles, which means that, let's assume in theory the battery is charged once a day, every day. It should then in theory last at least 13 years, charge once a day, but I normally charge twice, even easily up to 3 times a day, so that should be around 6 or 7 years or even 5. It's still a good deal for me. So the reason why you came to this video, oh, look at that. Yay. Okay, where's my assistant? Let's crack it open. I can also give it a smell test if it's possible. Actually waited a few hours to get to this very point, so don't worry, you'll cross the finish line at the same time. Come on, boss. Okay, sound effects. They didn't have to go into beast mode, huh? Oh, look at that. Ooh, cable. Actually wanted to get me a separate cable for the Type C this year and the past few days that passed by. Let's see how long this cable is. Short cables are good. That means about 5 volt 2 amps come in the Type A side and about 5 volt 2 amps pushed out micro C, Type C. Okay, let's look at the documentation.
Oh, that's nice, that's nice. Oh, nice funding. Oh, that's nice. Okay, safety, cleaning care instructions, environmentally, disclaimer warranty. Okay, some specs, charges 2 devices simultaneously, battery 20,000 mAh. Okay, yeah.
Push it to the side. Where's the star of the show? I'm allowed to give it. Ooh, 75, look at that. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, it's plastic fill. So it's a Type C port and a micro USB port that actually charges up this power bank. I can't believe I almost forgot about this micro USB port. Like with Dixon power bank, I have 2 options. It's to charge it either through Type C and micro USB. Micro USB power flows in both directions. Type C power only flows inside. But with this guy, I'm basically encouraged to stick to micro USB. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. So in theory, okay, I got this in June 1st, June 2021. I'll also give it like a date or birthday. That's what I want to refer to it. So in theory, so this looks at least 40,000 mAh. So if we have to go back to the numbers, just hold on. Let's go back to those numbers. So 5,000. So one power bank is in theory 6,000. So multiply that by 2. That's around 12,000. So in theory, my iPhone should be able to charge at least 12 times from those 2 power banks. Oh, that's amazing. You push it one more time. Oh, that looks nice. No more 25%, no more 50%, no more 75%, and no more 100%. Okay, for the normies, the guys that don't mind, look at this, see, okay, it's one dot left, okay, fully charge it, 100%. For you, I'm happy that you're willing to go about it that way. But for me, if I can get these things to last a long time, and this baby of mine, the original one, lasted me, what, say 2014, that's about 5-6 years. So this is about another 5-6 years between the 2 of them. Okay, let's test it. Let's give a quick test. Make sure it works. Oh yeah, I like this cable. I'm not gonna lend this cable out. No sir. Ooh. Okay, let's see what it can do. Let's see what it can do. Come on. Nice. 75%. Okay. Let's look at this guy. Ooh, Type C. Hey, once you go Type C, it's difficult going back to micro USB. See there, that's what I was referring. So it's actually now somewhere between 25 and 50%. You see why I don't like the 4 LED thing. Let me just pop it up in case maybe. See there. Now the second light just to the left, the 50%, that one doesn't work. So now I charge it, and then a few hours later, then it's poof, it's on the third. So it's difficult to read. So if you are ever out in the market for 20,000 milliamp, go with 20,000 mAh. The price of lithium has dropped quite considerably over the past few years. Oh, look at that. Oh, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Amplify. I just sort of liked their products. Shout out to the, I mentioned in a video before that the earphones, I had it since 2018 December. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. This coming December, it's 5 years.
Thank you for watching all the way till the end. See you guys